What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Koski here. I just want to let you guys know that there is a way to get mods onto your InZOI. I don't think I've seen it on YouTube to where it's described, or there's a how-to video for it, but there is a way to get mods onto your InZOI, and it's very simple. So I'm gonna just get into it. No time to waste. So I'm just gonna make this as simple and easy as possible for you guys to get where I'm coming from or get what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So first, you would need to go to Nexus Mods. This is a place where you can get all your mods from every game. They have mods on here for Enzoid, and I'm gonna show you. There's a few of them that you can get from here. So there's Mod Enabler, Remove Shower Blurs, Optimizer, High Quality Skins and Faces, Enhance and Enzoy Visuals, and Fast Launch. Ooh, I might have to get this one. But so to get the enabler, you have to, or for you to be able to get the mods enabled into your Enzoid is to download this right here. So you click on this. For you to be able to download this, you have to have an account, I think. But here's the requirements that you need to go through. You do have to make a mod folders in your Enzoid, and don't make the same mistake as a lot of people have done, which is go into their files and then go to Enzoid on your documents. This is not where you put your mods. This right here is not where you put your mods. The right place to go into is to wherever you have your Steam's library at. You go into Steam's app, common, and then you'll find your Android game here. Yes, I have myself a little tag, so it'll just be an easy click so I can get to it right away. But this is where you do it. And then you go to your blue client. And then from there, this is where you do all the nitty gritty. So I'm going to get to that. 1 second though. So first, all you have to do is install uh, Android Mod Enabler. Go ahead and download it. I already have it downloaded. I already done it before, so just go ahead and download it. It's gonna take us a little seconds or whatever the case is. Once that's done, you go ahead and download it. As you can see, that I already have it right here. So for you guys, that's who is brand new to this, you would have to download it. So go ahead and download that or save it. Once it's saved, you go back to your downloads file, you click it, you click that, you right click it, you extract the folder, which is going to show you this blue client. You double click the blue client, you click copy, or you can cut, which is technically copying it from one folder to the next folder. So you copy this, right? And then you drag it or you paste it in here. It's going to replace this binaries, right? So you go ahead and paste it. You're going to have to replace it. Once you do that, you should be able to, the enabler should already be installed. So then from that point on, since I already did it, I'm not going to do it again. You go to client, or not client, what the heck am I talking about? Content, then you go to packs, and then you're going to have to make yourself a mods folder, right? These are all the packs and other files that Android uses. For what we are going to be doing is making ourselves our own folders, and this is where I have the remove shower blur from the toilet, from the shower, and whatever places that uses the blur. So I have that removed, and also I also downloaded, what is this? I also downloaded the enhanced visuals. What this does, I guess, it makes everything look visually pleasing. Like it looks, makes it look like it's real life. Not like how the game comes out when you first get into the game. But this looks nice. So yeah, this is what I downloaded. It's an optimize, or you also need to optimize it to make this work properly. And as it also shows you that you need to drop the file in your pack mods folder, which I hopefully you guys already created. And this is where you just drop all your your package files and your UCAS files. Yep, and once that's done, then I'm gonna show you how the game runs, and then you should know. Then you should be able to see that okay, that this actually works. So once InZOI starts to get all these other, or not InZOI, once the modders get all these other mods created for InZOI, I think this is where you're going to be putting all your custom mods in. Oh, and also, if you can do your boy a favor, go ahead and follow my InZOI account. You know, I made a house, a custom house, and a character if you guys would like to have them. But yeah, so hit your boy with a good follow. You know, follow me so I can follow back. I don't even know why I laugh like that, but yeah. All right. So now that we're in the game, I'm gonna show you what the no blur looks like. So go ahead and take that shower. Get off the computer, my boy. Yeah, see, and as you can see, normally you would see a blur. Let me, yeah, normally you would see a blur in the game, but there's no blur. And when you also use the bath or the toilet, you will also see no blur. So from where you guys, from what you guys see me do, this is what you would need to do when you're putting mods or new scripts or new files, new pack files into your game. Is going to do that same process every time. So yeah, so if you guys like the video, if it was helpful to you guys, go ahead and drop a thumbs up, give me a little comment, and subscribe to your boy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.